Hello everyone, and welcome. This presentation is an introduction to the Libby app by Overdrive. In this presentation, I will provide information about the Libby app and what is available on the app. So let's start off with who I am. My name's Sabrina Wegar, and I am a librarian trainee at a public library. I'm also pursuing my master's in Library and Information Science at San Jose State University. I love to read, and personally, I love the Libby app. I have it installed on my tablet and use it to read a variety of books from home. I find it so easy to use as well as to set up. It's so convenient for me to be able to have access to so many books from home, especially when COVID-19 and the quarantine hit. I hope that you find the Libby app as useful as I do. Okay, so first let's focus on what the Libby app is. Libby offers thousands and thousands of fiction and nonfiction ebooks, audiobooks, graphic novels, and magazines. Libby's collection has materials from varying time periods, such as Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte, which was published in the 19th century, to The Sentence by Louise Erdrich, which was published just a week ago. The Libby app always has the newest upcoming books that you can take out or place a hold on, just like you would at your local library. The Libby app has a wide variety of genres, such as fiction, nonfiction, graphic novels, and magazines available. You are able to browse your library's collection on Libby, and so the subjects covered may vary depending on what your library offers. Usually the Libby app has a larger collection than the library's physical collection, but this all varies depending on your location and library. Now, let's go into who the Libby app is for. The Libby app is great for adults, teens, and children. There is a large array of materials available for all age groups. For toddlers and young children, certain picture books are available, such as the popular Sesame Street series and the Berenstain Bears. For children, the Artemis Fowl series is available, and the Babysitter's Club, which is also available as a graphic novel. For young adults, the Divergent series is available, as well as the Legend series, which is also available as a graphic novel. For adults, popular new releases such as the Harlem Shuffle is available, as well as classics such as 1984. So you're probably wondering, what's Overdrive? The Libby app is run by Overdrive. Overdrive is the parent company of Libby and is another app that has ebooks, audiobooks, graphic novels, and magazines. Now, let's focus on how to access the Libby app. The Libby app is available on either your cell phone, tablet, or laptop. The Libby app is available for Apple and Android devices. You can download the app through the App Store or Google Play. You also need your library card to access your library's collection of ebooks, audiobooks, graphic novels, and magazines. Once you have the Libby app downloaded, a set of prompts appear to help you get started. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me via email at sabrina.wegar@sjsu.edu. Watch out for my upcoming videos on learning the basics of the Libby app and learning advanced features on the Libby app. Thanks for watching!